Hello students, now we are going to study Maths class 11 exercise 1.4 and chapter name is sets. In the sets we have completed up to exercise 1.3. Now we start exercise 1.4, but before this we see some definitions like Venn diagram. So what is the Venn diagram? Here figure is made here. The diagrams drawn to represent the relationship between the given sets are called Venn diagram. The universal set U, universal set denoted by U, is represented by points within a rectangle, and sets are represented by points in circles within the rectangle. So what is the meaning of this Venn diagram? Actually, Venn diagram, this system has been given by the one English mathematician whose name was Venn, and after his name Venn diagram used. So we have one universal set, like your example is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 to 10, some numbers. So how to use Venn diagram means, first we set any rectangle and it is the actually U. It is the universal set. All elements must be here, like U 1 2 3 4 up to 10, and set A is 2 4 6 8 10. That means next set must be subset of this universal set. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and A is 2 4 6 8 10. That means A is subset of this U, and all elements of A belongs to U. So universal set is made like this in rectangle, and some subsets will be written in the form of circles. So universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All elements belongs to U. And what is the set A? Set is A is 2 4 6 8 10, because these 2 4 6 8 10, these elements are belongs to this universal set. So we can make the relationship between any universal set and subsets of this U. Now other example is, suppose A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am writing all elements, and suppose B is like the same 2 4 6 8 10, and another set is C, suppose 4 and 6. So how to represent by the Venn diagram? So it is universal set, all elements like that 1 to 10, but A is we make like this. A is this 2 4 6 8 and 10, and universal set is the same like this 1 to 10. So how to represent by Venn diagram? It is a rectangle, it is universal, all elements here we say it is universal set, and A is 2 4 6. So A is making like this by circles, otherwise we can say write also make this type of shape, oval shape. So A is 2 4 6 8 10, and B is A is 2 4 6 8 10, and B is 4 and 6. So now see here, A, it is a set A. A is 2 4 6 8 and 10, and B is 4 6. Where is B? B is made like this. It is made like this. It is the B. This set is B. So set A is 2 4 6 8 10. 2 4 6 8 10, and B is 2 4 6 8 10. B is 4 6, and what is universal set U must be all the elements. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, 7 8 also here, and 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Because B is the subset of A, B is subset of A, and A is also subset of this universal set. We can represent the relationship between universal set and their subsets. So it was the. Now next thing is we see on the operation on sets. Some operations, you know, in mathematics that there are 4 basic operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. These are known as basic operations. And what is the operation on sets? So logic is, suppose if we add 2 plus 3 we get 5. If we subtract 2 from 5 we get 3. That means if we add these two things we get another thing. These two real numbers added getting another real number. After subtraction also get one number. So like the same union operation on sets, we have two topics here: union of sets and intersection. So what is union? Let A and B be any two sets. One set will be given A, other set will be B. So union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B, the common elements being taken only once. यसको मिनिङ के छ? A में जतिवटा एलिमेन्ट हुन्छ त्यो जम्मै लेख्नु पर्यो, B को जम्मै एलिमेन्ट, but elements will not be repeated. Common elements being taken only once. And the symbol union is denoted by this. It is union. U. It is union. Like for example, we can write A union B. How to read this? We read this A union B. So let's see some examples of this operation of union of sets. Like set A equal to, see the example from the textbook. This A equal to 2 4 6 set and B equal to 6 8 10 and 12. Find A union B. So how to solve this? How to find A union B? Due to definition, we should write all elements of A and also all elements of B. Only we can take common elements once. So let A and B be any two sets. The union of A and B is the set of which consists of all the elements of A, all elements of A, and also all the elements of B, but the common elements being taken only once. अनि दोनों को दुईटा को जम्मै एलिमेन्ट लेख्नु हो, रिपिट गर्नु होइन. कुन रिपिटेसन छ यो चेक हियर. 2 4 6 set, 6 here and 6 is repeating here, 8. Two things repeating here, we write single. So it is 2 4 6 8 10 and 12. So it is the very easy this thing. A union B means A को जम्मै एलिमेन्ट लेख्नु, B को पनि जम्मै कुन एलिमेन्ट छोड्नु हुँदैन. Nothing should be left out, but we write all the elements of A and all the elements of B, but repeating elements taking only one. So it is the A union B. Like second example, example 13 given here. Next example, suppose set A is given here A E I O U and set B is A I U. Find A union B. So what becomes A union B here? We write all the elements of A and set B. So A, first we take how many repeating here? I 2 times here in both sets. A also, U also. We can take this only one, so A also. So A, we write A, E, I, O, U. That means A union B equal to, we have written all elements of A and also elements of B, but these repeating elements taking once. So it is the answer of this example, A union B, A, E, I, O, U. And this operation, this union, this A union B, how to represent here by the Venn diagram also we will learn here. It is universal set, and how to use this. Here it is U, and I am making one set, it is A, and it is set B. It is set B. So what is A? A is here 2, 4, 6, 8. And which one is common? These two things are common, so we write here common here 6 and 8, because 6, 8 are the elements of A and also elements of B, and 2, 4. So set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and B is 6, 8, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So this figure represented by A union B, but how to set here all things, total is A union B, this A union B, its name is A union B, because the elements of A 2, 4, 6, 8, element of B 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we can represent also by the Venn diagram, and it is solution A union B. These are the 6 and 8 are common elements. So it was the union of sets. Now see next. Now next thing, how to represent in the set builder form the union of set A and B is the elements of either in A or either in B or in both. So how to write here in symbols? We write A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A. That means elements must be in A or X belongs to B. So we will represent in the symbols. Elements belongs to A and also or belongs to B. And we can say also are both. So it is the symbol to denote the A union B. So now students, see some properties of the operations of union. Some properties are given here. Total is 5. A union B is equal to B union A, like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and also 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now A दुईटा रिवर्स गर्दा पनि सेम आन्सर पाउँछ. A union B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. B union is also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is commutative law. Second is A union B. Suppose 3 sets are given A, B and C. If you find out first A union B and also union of C, A union B union C equal to A union B union C, they also will be same. We can say it is associative law. Number 3, A union 5. 5 means blank. There is not any element. So A union and empty set equal to, we get same set A. Law of identity element. Like A union is equal to A. Afai union, we can get same set. It is universal set. A universal set, it is the union. The universal set, union of A equal to universal set, because if all the elements, all the sets belongs to this universal set. So universal set union A is equal to, we get union of the set. It is known as law of union, law of universal set. Now see the next operation on the sets. Second thing is intersection of sets. Just we have done union of sets. It is A union B. We can represent like this by the Venn diagram. And next is intersection of sets. So the intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B. दुईटैमा हुनु पर्यो, जुन एलिमेन्ट A मा पनि होस् त्यही एलिमेन्ट B मा पनि होस्, त्यसलाई के भन्छ A इन्टरसेक्सन B. इंटरसेक्शन को सिंबल हुन्छ यूनियन, यस्तो हो, यसको जस्ट उल्टा, इट इज द इंटरसेक्शन. यू उल्टा सेप बनाउँछ इंटरसेक्शन. So symbol it is used to denote intersection. Symbolically we write how to represent A intersection B. X such that X belongs to A. It was X such that X belongs to A and, see this word and का मतलब इसको मीनिंग के छ, A में जुन एलिमेंट छ त्यही एलिमेंट B में हुनुपर्छ, माने कमन टू बोथ दोज एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग्स टू A and also belongs to B. We can say same example we can take here. If A, set A and set B, set A is 2 4 6 8 and B is 6 8 10 and 12. Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. So first, without the diagram we can write here A intersection B, intersection symbol like this. Which are the common here? कौन common से यहाँ? Common छ 2 is not here, 6 and 8 common to both, 6 and 8. So it is the answer. It is the A intersection B. But how to represent by the Venn diagram? Set A element 2 4 6 8. Which one is common? This common. Common means you can see here. This 6 8 also coming here. यो A में पनि भेट्दैछ, त्यही 6 8 कहाँ भेट्दैछ? B में पनि भेट्दैछ. त्यसलाई के भन्छ? A intersection B. Common to both. And here 2 4 6 8 and here B is 6 8 10 and 12. So how to represent this Venn diagram? It is the A intersection B. We can show like this. Only this on the union totally shaded portion, but here it is this portion. This portion is known as A intersection B. So symbolically we can use like this. X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X जुन एलिमेंट A में हुन्छ त्यही एलिमेंट सेम B में हुन्छ, त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छ? इंटरसेक्शन अफ सेट्स. So it is the A intersection B, and we will do some questions from exercise. So students, now see the solutions from question number 1. And number 1 is find the union of each of the following sets. Union. We should find out all unions. There are total 5 parts here. So first part is X equal to 1 3 5, Y is equal to 1 2 3, and we did X union Y. So what is union? Union means we should write all elements of X and also all elements of Y, but elements not repeating here. So here 1 is repeated here, so we write 1 once, and this 3 also repeating here. So 1 2 3 and 5. Let's check here. X को जम्मै एलिमेन्ट यहाँ हुनुपर्छ, Y को जम्मै हुनु पर्यो, रिपिट नहोस्. तो 1 3 5 1 3 5 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it is the X union Y. We have written all the elements from X and Y. Now number second, A equal to A E I O U. B is A E I O U. Repeating here, A B C. Only A is repeating. So the A right here, A E I O U B and C. It is the answer. जुन order पर लेख्दा हुन्छ. Otherwise we can write A B C E I O U. तो check A E I O U, A E I O U, all the elements of A and all the elements of B, A B C, A B C. So it is the answer of the second. Now number 3, X such that X is a natural number and multiples of 3. What become this? नेचुरल नंबर हुनु पर्यो, मल्टिपल अफ 3 भनेको 3 को टेबल में आउनु पर्छ. table of 3 starts from 3, 3 to 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12 and so on. And B is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 natural number 1. Here we can write less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Natural numbers less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A union B. So it becomes all elements of A and all elements of B. So B is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Which one is repeating here? Here 3 and here 3. That means all the elements of this. Here 1, 2, 3 also repeating here. 4 पनि लेख्नु पर्यो, 5 पनि लेख्नु पर्यो, 6. 6 and then 9, 12 and so on. See once again. Here we should write all the elements of A. Elements of A is 3, 6, 9, 12. And all elements of B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is the answer of part 3. Now next, number 4. A equal to x such that x is a natural number and this numbers are x less than x. इसको meaning के सर जो number हुन्छ 1 is less than x means x is greater than 1. 1 भन्दा ठुलो. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also because it is less and also equal. 6 पनि include गर्नु पर्यो equal गर्दा. And B is x such that x is a natural number. Numbers starting from it is open interval, so 6 भन्दा ठुलो 10 भन्दा सानो. That means after 6 we get 7, 8 and 9 because x less than 10. 10 भन्दा कम्ती. So A union B, how to write? All elements of A. Which one is repeating here? Not any element is repeating here. So elements of A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. जमा element लिखियो. The elements of B 7, 8 and 9. So it is the answer of part 4. Now next number 5. A is 1, 2, 3, B is 5. 5 means empty. It is empty set. There is not any element. A union B becomes all the elements of A 1, 2, 3. B में तो छंदे छैन. So it is 1, 2, 3 and also we can say it is A. If we find A union B, we are getting 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. It is comes from A. So we can write also equal to A. So it is answer of part 5. So now see, check the question number 2. Now see here number 2. Let A is equal to AB, B is equal to ABC. Is A is subset of B? We should tell here. Is A is subset B? Then what is the union B? So we have A, set A is equal to A and B. Set B is ABC. First we check is A is subset of B or not. So what is the meaning of subset? Each and every elements of A should be present in set B. The A मा छ A र B, B मा पनि के छ A र B. इसको मतलब all the elements of A belongs to elements B. That means we can say yes, A is subset of B because all the elements of A belongs to elements of B. Now A union B. A union B, we should write all the elements of A and also elements of B. So I'm not repeating here. A, B, A, B. That means A, B and C. Element of A and B. Element of B, A, B, C. A, B, C. All have been included here. So it is A union B and also we can write it is B because A union B is coming ABC and ABC elements of the not A, it is set. Elements of the set B. So we can write A union B is equal to A, B, C equal to B. Look the question number 3. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, condition is given here. A र B दुईटा सेट छ, condition के छ A B को subset हो, A is subset of B, then find A union B. So we can take any numbers, any elements, but A is subset of B. Suppose we are taking A is 1, 2 and B is 1, 2, 3. So clearly here A is subset of B because all the elements of A belongs to elements of B. So A is subset of B here. A is subset of B. Then what is A union B? All the elements of A 1, 2 and all the elements of B 1, 2, 3. So this 1 and 2 are repeating here. We are taking once this 1, 2 and this 3. And what is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 belongs to not A, it belongs to set B. So it is answer of the remaining questions you can do by the help of these solutions.